Hey! Today I'm going to be talking about one of my favourite topics, colour. This video will provide a basic overview of colour theory, and in later videos I hope to touch on colour symbolism. I hope you enjoyed today's video! The colour wheel begins with primary colours, which include red, blue and yellow. These colours are what make up every other colour on the spectrum, and if you mix all of them together, they will create a muddy brown shade. Next is secondary colours, which include purple, green and orange. These colours are created by mixing together two primary colours. For instance, red and blue create purple, red and yellow create orange, and blue and yellow create green. Tertiary colours are created by mixing a primary and a secondary colour together and include red-orange, red-purple, blue-purple, blue-green, yellow-green, and yellow-orange. Hue is simply the name of each colour. Saturation is the intensity or the purity of a hue. On one end of this spectrum, the colour will be fully saturated and bright. On the other end, it will be desaturated and dark. Value is the degree of lightness or darkness in a hue. At one end of this spectrum is very light colours, and at the other are really dark colours. Shade refers to the amount of black that is in a colour. Tint refers to the amount of white in a colour. Tone is produced by adding grey to any colour. Warm and cool colours are fairly simple. You basically just divide the colour wheel in half and it separates into warm and cool colours. Warm colours are red, orange and yellow, and they are often very bright and welcoming colours. Cool colours are purple, blue and green, and are often dark and mysterious. Colour schemes are categories of colours that, when combined, will create a harmonious visual experience for a viewer. A monochromatic scheme is using one hue and adding white, black, or grey to create a variety of tints, tones, or shades. Complementary colours are two colours that sit opposite one another on the colour wheel. This includes red and green, blue and orange, and yellow and purple. Analogous schemes are 2, 3 or 4 colours paired together that sit directly next to each other on the colour wheel. Triadic scheme is where 3 colours are evenly spaced on the colour wheel. A split complementary scheme is when a base colour and 2 colours adjacent to its complementary colour are chosen. A tetradic or rectangular scheme is when 4 colours are arranged into 2 complementary pairs. A square scheme is when 4 complementary colours are chosen evenly spaced on the colour wheel. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.